Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from my listening videos. I'm going to share with you how to add end screens to your videos on YouTube on the new studio. Okay, here so you have the new dashboard. You have some statistics here, some feed and news here, some your new videos or your 6 last videos. um, what you need to do is to, of course, come to studio.youtube.com channel/channel. Then you go to videos, of course, channel videos. Okay, and then you pick the video. Right, let's pick this one, choose this one, and then you go to video editor. Okay, video editor, so you will find like this here. Okay, so you have cdu.youtube.com/video slash the ID of your video slash editor. If you can't follow those steps, you just have to copy the ID of the video here, and you will be in the same page. What you need here is to add. You come here, add screens. So you click add. They used to be 4. Now there are only 3 elements in the new studio. So let's choose this one, for instance. Okay, and then apply. What I would like you to pay attention here is that when you click, it gives you elements to select for just this one. What do you want this one to be? You can leave it if you want most recent uploads, best viewed. Okay, if you want to best viewed here, if you want to choose of course a video, normally that's what you would like to do, so choose a video. Nice. Well, this is show hover card. No, I don't really want, just leave it be, and then you come here and you choose another, select another video, for instance. Okay, as you can see here I have then I will save. Okay, let's check if we can still add 4 elements here. Okay, we'll try to add 4 elements. Okay, let's see, for instance, this one. There you go. So as you can see here, I added 4 elements. Okay, video, sub video, and video. Let's save and check what happens. So here is the result. It didn't take much time. So this is the first video, second video, and the third video. I hope you like this and you understand how to put end screens. They are very useful if you want to promote your content and get more views for particular videos. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.